Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel, Chime Juliet here. I know it's been a minute. I've been being a mom. Being a new mom. It's not easy, y'all. Like there's no manual for this and it just takes up so much of your time. Anyway, I'm hoping to be back for reals now. And I've got a bunch of videos lined up. I'm not sure if it's the kind of content that my audience is used to, but I hope you all like the videos because they're very informative, funny, and entertaining. So I hope that's all what you'll like. And today I'll be doing a very simple, easy hairstyle. Just take the sides of your hair and put it in the middle, clip it in the middle like a half up, and then you flip it inwards. So you turn it on itself, you turn it inside. I'm gonna show you that anytime now. Yep. Super simple. And yeah, that's just me taking a picture. And then divide your hair into 3 parts. They don't have to be equal. The trick is just to divide your hair, smooth it as per usual. Always make sure your 4C, your type 4 hair looks good, all smooth with your hands. No need for any brushes or combs. Just smooth it with your hands and twist, because my hairstyles are super easy and always look super elegant, as you will see. I told my sister when I finished shooting this video, I was like, "Oh, sister girl, I finally shot a video for YouTube." And she was like, "Is this video for you to upload on YouTube or to keep?" And I was like, "Dope! I have so many videos, y'all. I have so many that are just sitting down in my arsenal, not uploaded, just waiting." So yeah, I really need to start uploading. Anyway, so you flip the second one in and just watch how this comes together. Come together. So look how luscious that is. I'm just brushing my cocos with my hands. So I've got this villainous looking updo. Hey. Well, actually quite nice. Sorry. So yeah, I'm in a good mood, and I hope you all are too. Life's too difficult as it is already, so it's good to lighten things up and to share a smile. So I hope you all liked this video because I liked it. Actually liked how it turned out, and I hope you all liked it too. I've been talking for way longer than I should have, and I hope you all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as per usual. Well, share this video, which is the most important. Share and subscribe. Thank you all. Take care now. Bye.